Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Dr. Nazneen Akhtar. I welcome you all today for the webinar on Salesforce Marketing Cloud Mastery course introduction by our trainer Malik Amodi sir. He is an expert in his domain, and today we will listen to him to understand the job opportunities, what exactly Salesforce is about, what are the job opportunities, what are the different roles you can prepare yourself for. So, Malik sir, please take charge. I invite you to deliver your webinar.
Sure. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. So, before I start, I'll just give you a brief introduction about my background. So, my name is Malik Amodi. I work as a Salesforce Marketing Cloud consultant. Currently, I'm working as an implementation expert for a CRO. CRO is basically a clinical research organization. So, I'm doing the implementation for them of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And if I talk about overall experience, I have 8 years of experience, and all of that experience comes under Salesforce. And in Marketing Cloud, I have 5.5 years of experience. So that's a little bit about me. I'll just share my screen and we'll start with our presentation. Let me know if you guys can see my screen.
Yes, sir, your screen is visible.
Yes. So today we're going to discuss about Salesforce Marketing Cloud as well as what's the job market for it and the career opportunities. So if I'll just move to the next slide. So today's agenda we will cover like the job market for Salesforce, the growth, salary trends, and what the future holds for SFMC. And plus we will discuss about what we're going to cover in our email specialist course. Okay, so we'll start with the market and overview about the Salesforce job. So right now, currently we have more than 3,000 plus employees at Salesforce itself. I'm just talking about Salesforce company. And if I talk about Salesforce in general, apart from Salesforce company, we have somewhere around more than 800K people who are working for Salesforce or working in Salesforce. Right now, the job market and the growth is really good. And if I talk about future, by 2020, 28, they're going to have somewhere around 2 million jobs in Salesforce in India itself alone. So when I say 2 million jobs in Salesforce, it is not just specific to Salesforce Marketing Cloud, it is for the entire Salesforce. So first we'll try to understand what is Salesforce. So Salesforce again is a CRM tool. And when Salesforce started, it was mainly used for Sales Cloud only. So where they used to handle or use Salesforce as a CRM tool. Now they have moved into different domains as well, like marketing, service, uh, health cloud, and they have also introduced a new cloud called Data Cloud as well. So what is Marketing Cloud? So with Marketing Cloud, what they can do the integration with their CRM system and utilize the same or existing data and do the marketing. So if I talk about Salesforce Marketing Cloud, what it does, so in just a simple, if I just give a simple example about a Flipkart, okay. So sometimes if you just have a like gone through Flipkart, you added some product in Flipkart and you did not proceed with the order. You just left it in your cart. And later on, after like within 24 hours, you'll receive an email saying, hey, you left something in your cart. So that's what Salesforce Marketing Cloud can do. So this is all can be done through backend. And there you need to configure it, like configuring the personalization of email, personalizing the journey and automation. So that's what Salesforce Marketing Cloud does. So we'll discuss more about Salesforce Marketing Cloud in next few slides. As I was saying earlier, the job market, Indian job market for Salesforce is 1.8 million by 2028. And yeah, mostly the jobs opportunities are in Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, and Pune. The salary structure. So someone who's from entry level, they can get up to like get from 2.5 lakh to 16 lakhs. It's an average salary. Again, here it is mentioned as entry level, but again, it will be required like the experience will be required from 2 to 5 years. The senior will be 5 to 8 years, and then we have architect, solution architect, or uh, yes, solution architect for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So architects are in the top tier. They are the ones who take care of everything, like starting from doing the implementation of product and setting up everything, doing the integration with other platforms as well. This is just the salary structure. Again, now, if we talk about the roles in SFMC, so we have Marketing Cloud Email Specialist role, Marketing Cloud Developer roles, Solution Architect, Campaign Specialist, and Automation Engineer. So Marketing Cloud Email Specialist and Campaign Specialist are same. They mostly will be working on creating end-to-end campaigns like creating email, setting up journeys, and automation. And Marketing Cloud Developer, again, they will be doing the same task, but with some advanced functionality like utilizing server-side JavaScript, doing API integration, and on top of that, doing some custom solutions as well. So this is what we have already covered. Now, future of SFMC. So right now, they are moving SFMC, Salesforce Marketing Cloud was earlier called as Salesforce Marketing Cloud Engagement. Now they are moving all the marketing clouds into one domain called as Salesforce Marketing Cloud Next. So Salesforce itself, they had multiple marketing tools. One was for B2B called as Pardot, and one was for B2C, that is SFMC. Now what they are doing, they are merging all of those clouds into one cloud and calling it as Marketing Cloud Next. So what is Marketing Cloud Next? So this is again the next generation MarTech tool, you can say, where you can utilize AIs, and they will have their own AI called Agent Force. So this is again not right now they are doing it. So it's in the future where they will be implementing Agent Force, where you can directly just, instead of creating campaigns on your own, you can just prompt Agent Force and it will create a campaign for you. So this is the future for SFMC right now. And these are the industry which mostly utilize Salesforce Marketing Cloud: e-commerce, banking, healthcare, manufacturing, and these are the few, but there are others as well. Like call centers, they also use Salesforce. Now, email specialist certification overview. So this is again, you'll have to pay like $200 if you want to get certified by Salesforce itself. Okay. And we will prepare you for this certification. What is the benefit of getting certified? You can stand uh, with your experience, plus you can hold this certification, because mostly companies, they will look for certified people. And if you are certified, definitely they will give you the first preference. So this is what we're going to cover in our program in 45 days. And after the completion, you will be able to crack this exam as well and get certified. So what we're going to cover in this course: email marketing best practices, content creation, and delivery. So content creation, what is content creation? Content creation again is like creating emails. I will teach you how to create emails, how to personalize that email. So what does I mean by personalizing it? So personalization means when you send an email, it's not one to one. They are sending it to in bulk, like in millions. So they want every email to be personalized based on customers' uh, experience. So sometimes the customer is interested in mobile, the other person is interested in laptop. So with Marketing Cloud personalization, you can personalize the email based on their preferences. So this is what we're going to teach you, how to personalize the email and marketing automation and data management. So in marketing automation, we have two things. That one is Journey Builder and the other part is Automation Studio. So Journey Builder and Automation Studio is the heart of Marketing Cloud. So mostly the enterprise companies, they use Salesforce Marketing Cloud because of these two things, Journey Builder and Automation Studio, where they can automate all their tasks through automation studio or journey builder rather than creating ad hoc emails. So we'll give you the access to journey builder, automation studio, and we'll also give you some hands-on practices on how to create journeys, how to create the automation, when do you need to create automation. Then what about data management? So data management, again, data management is where you will have to segment your data. So there will be people who you want to target based on certain criteria, right? So maybe you say people who are living in Aurangabad, right? Or someone who has completed their master degree, or someone who has shown interest in the last form they have submitted. So how you can manage that data? So there are few things which you can utilize. Either you can use SQL to manipulate the data or segment the data, and they have some other tool as well where you can use drag and drop user interface and create the segment. And for personalization, Salesforce Marketing Cloud, they have their native language called AMP script. So with AMP script, you can personalize the email like first name, last name, or creating a dynamic content. And we'll teach you the AMP script as well and some basic SQL as well. It would be good if you have some basic understanding of SQL because AMP script is similar to SQL. Then we'll cover how to optimize the journey. So creating journey is one part and optimizing journey is another part. So sometimes you can create the journey uh, in a one go, but then how you can optimize it. So optimization comes with different business requirement. So this is also we're going to cover. And then the last one is reporting part, where we'll teach you how to extract the reports and everything in Salesforce itself. So yeah, this is what we're going to cover in Salesforce Marketing Cloud training with more data. Plus, we will provide you some hands-on exercises and give you the access to Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Right now, you cannot get the Salesforce Marketing Cloud access. It is only specific to customers. So we already have arranged. So we have already arranged the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So you can directly get into SFMC and start doing your hands-on from day one. So yeah, that's pretty much about today's Salesforce Marketing Cloud demo.
Students, you can ask question. Before that, I would like to ask one question, sir. How about
Yes.
the certification? If it is $200, it costs something around 16K, right?
Yes, 60. I think it's right now it's
Mm,
19K, 18K.
Okay, 18K.
Yes.
So, like Microsoft, do we get some discounts? Some kind of.
Uh, Not really. You'll get discount only if you're part of Salesforce partner. Okay, so what is Salesforce partner? Again, people who work with Salesforce as a B2B. So, for
Mhm.
example, Salesforce has sold Marketing Cloud for one of the companies. Now that company needs an implementation partner. So that partner will be provided by Salesforce. And Salesforce at the same time gives vouchers to those partners. Plus, you can get those vouchers by enrolling it into like community webinars. So Salesforce community webinars are there. Salesforce has a really big community, so always try to follow people on LinkedIn, and you will definitely get. There are few webinars where you can get the $200 voucher as well. So you don't even have to pay anything. All you need to do is just attend the webinar, and at the end, they will ask you a few questions about the webinar or maybe something about related to Salesforce Marketing Cloud or Salesforce,
Mm-hmm.
and you can answer it. And based on they will select it randomly, like 5 to 10 people out of those webinars, and they will give you the voucher.
Great, great. That's a great opportunity. Something
Yes,
similar Microsoft also does. They do have a community, but this really gives a person a strength to think that if
yes, correct.
they participate, and by participating in communities, they even get that opportunities, job opportunities. So, do
Correct.
we have any internship opportunities associated with this particular field?
Right now, we don't have any internship opportunity with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, especially. But yeah, if I talk about Sales Cloud, they do have some opportunities where you can enroll or be a part of a company where they give you like 1 year internship. And if you perform well, they will sometime hire you as well.
Okay, okay. That means there
But
are
it is,
opportunities.
yeah, but it is specific to Sales Cloud. And if someone wants to learn Sales Cloud, they can learn Sales Cloud as well. It is very easy. You can just directly go to trailhead.com and you can log in, and it will give you step by step, what you can say, step by step configuration. And you can set up your org, you can see live business requirements and implement that in your org. And you can
Mhm.
learn Sales Cloud from start to end.
Okay, okay, that's great. Sir, when we are talking of Salesforce, do we have any close inclination or close attachment of Salesforce with CRM?
Yes. So as I said, so Salesforce itself, when it started, it was a CRM. Now they are not just CRM; they are more than CRM, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So earlier it was only like they are getting the data, and just based on that data, they used to make some decision. Now they what they are doing, now they are integrating Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Marketing Cloud. And with
Mm-hmm.
these three, they are just managing their customer engagement and personalizing it based on their interaction. So for
Correct.
example, if the Service Cloud is also integrated, someone has created the case. As soon as the case is created, Marketing Cloud will trigger the email saying you have created this in this case.
Mm-hmm.
And at the same time, the task will be created in Sales Cloud. So this is how they have evolved from CR. They are still CRM, but they are more than CRM right now. That's why they
Mm-hmm.
have been like mostly enterprise companies. They always go with Salesforce.
Mm-hmm. So it does it mean that when we say that it's more than CRM, it has integrated some kind of marketing and automation as well into it?
Correct.
Okay,
So
okay. How closely it is related to digital marketing?
I won't say it's very close to digital marketing, because digital marketing, if I talk about like digital marketing, again comes like where you do the advertisement on LinkedIn, Facebook, or other social media, right? With Salesforce Marketing Cloud, it is specific to email channel, mobile phone like SMS, or you might have seen like in our app, we usually get the notification. So that is called in-app notification.
Mm-hmm.
Then SMS plus WhatsApp integration is also there. So these are
Mm-hmm.
the four things which can be utilized for interaction. And if I talk about digital marketing, they have this similar thing for B2B,
Mm-hmm.
marketing cloud account engagement, where
Mm-hmm.
you can connect your Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google ads as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay, when it comes to automation in Sales Cloud, you gave an example of if you just add something to the cart and you leave the cart as it is and you don't make the purchase, you instantly get a email.
Correct.
So, something similar we get on our WhatsApp also. So
Yes,
is it a part of this integration process
Salesforce Marketing Cloud.
automation?
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
yes.
Okay, okay. So do we have any kind of remote jobs available in this domain?
We have remote jobs, but that again depends on your experience. Okay.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
So if I talk about people who are coming fresh, I don't
mm-hmm,
think so they will get the opportunity to work remotely, but
mm-hmm,
that again depends on company's requirement. Right now, most of the companies in India, what they are doing, they are making everyone do a hybrid mode.
mm,
Okay, so like you'll have to come to office once or twice a week.
mm,
Otherwise, if you're working for a company like I'm working for Australian company, right?
mm-hmm,
So my job profile is like remote.
mm,
I don't have to go to office, and even though they have the office in Bangalore, but
mm-hmm.
I still don't have to go to office.
We have a question from Habib. He's asking, can we use this for remarketing?
Yes. Remarketing. I don't understand what do you mean by remarketing. If is it like sending the same thing or doing the marketing? Like for
It,
example, you have
it is basically a concept coming from digital marketing, where the Meta allows us the facility of remarketing to the same audience when we create
yes,
an
we can do
audience
we
in
can do
Meta.
that.
So something
Yes.
similar, yes, because here we have a properly dedicated CRM, and definitely we can create a remarketing campaign anytime.
Yes, and we don't have to do the remarketing. As I said earlier, with Journey Builder, you can always handle that inside the one campaign only. So in Journey Builder, we have something called engagement, and you can track that engagement and check if someone has clicked or opened. If they have not, you can send them the same email again, or
Mm-hmm.
maybe sending them something more personalized email to them based on their interaction. If they have not interacted, you want to send them the previous email, you can always do that in the same campaign.
Mm-hmm. This is not available in Meta. Meta is very rigid, and Meta keeps on changing their interface. So sometimes it is overwhelming for people who are doing this. So I guess
Correct,
this is the easier one, I guess.
correct.
Anything else? Anything else, Habib? इमरान आपको कुछ और पूछना है? Sir, इस कोर्स का ड्यूरेशन how many weeks have we planned?
6 weeks.
6 weeks.
Yes.
And is there any figure of fees in your mind, or we will be communicating that to the students later once they
Yes, we can
register?
communicate. Yeah. After.
So while they are working on if they are registered in the course, they will get access to the cloud because you're one partner as well.
Yes, they will get the access to SFMC because I already have the org. So they will get the access to SFMC itself.
Okay. How many months or weeks this access will be available to the students?
For the like throughout the course,
Mm-hmm.
and if they want, like we can extend that for another another 2 to 4 weeks.
So that they can prepare for their exams,
Yes, correct.
certification as well.
Yes.
Okay, students, did you have any more question, or should we allow this sir to take a leave because it's already a weekend? Any more questions?
6 weeks.
Course duration, we have already conveyed that it's 6 weeks. Anything else? Okay. इमरान को अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना हो तो पूछ सकते हैं इमरान, एल्स हम सर को इजाज़त दे सकते हैं. ठीक है
You
सर,
can.
आपके वीकेंड का हमने एक्चुअली हमने उसका इस्तेमाल कर लिया. आपका वीकेंड था, आपको फैमिली को टाइम देना था. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग अस योर प्रेशियस टाइम एंड सम वैल्यूबल इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड वी लुक फॉरवर्ड कि आईआरसी में हम इस कोर्स को रन करें. और जो
Inshallah.
इसको इसको या आई वुड प्रेफर कि कोई बच्चे हमारे जो है तो इसको ज्वाइन करें और बेनिफिट करें, ताकि हम अच्छे प्लेसमेंट्स बच्चे हासिल कर पाएँ इंशाल्लाह ताला. सर जज़ाकल्लाह, thank you so much. And thank you the participants who have joined, and we will keep this recording. Abhi I'll stop it as of now.